Hey guys, it's Elise and I hope you guys are all doing well. Happy holidays. I'm back with a new video and today's video is featuring Unice and they are available on Amazon Prime. I will leave all the information and details down below, so be sure to check there. I will also provide a discount code, so if you would like to save 10% off of your purchases, use discount code LOVEUNICE. I'll leave it on the screen as well as below. So once again, this wig comes from Unice on Amazon Prime. The wig that I have is their curly 13 by 4 inch clear transparent lace front wig. And this is what the wig looks like. You guys see that clear transparent lace. The wig that I have is 100% human hair and 180% density, 22 inches in length. I'm going to go ahead and put the wig on as I usually do to let you guys see exactly what the wig looks like out of the pack without me doing anything to it. I do notice that the lace looks pretty good. However, I'm still going to tint it a little bit and we're going to get these knots bleached because this don't make any sense. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and bleach the knots. I'm going to go ahead and tint the lace and we're going to style up this unit to make it look realistic and natural. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. So firstly, I'm going to go ahead and bleach my knots. Then you guys are going to see me shampoo and condition. I will see you guys once I'm finished with that. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and tint my lace. I like to use my Right synthetic fabric dye in the color chocolate brown. I use about a spoonful and I add it into a cup of boiling hot water and I allowed it to sit in that water for about a few seconds or so. You can go a little longer if you want to deepen the color, but this actually works for me. So this is what the front perimeter of the hairline looks like prior to me doing anything to it. Now this wig is slightly pre-plucked, so if you're a beginner, you can definitely wear the wig as is. However, I'm going to take it a step further and just further customize it to my liking. So right now I'm just cleaning up the parting space, although it is a little lopsided. It doesn't look like it on my canvas block, but once I put the wig on, you guys are going to notice how lopsided my part is. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and pull out the baby hairs and then I'm tweezing behind the hairline. You guys should already know this method. I kind of like to do somewhat of like a brush stroke with my tweezers to make it look almost like the hair has been brushed. I'm going to go ahead and finish tweezing and then you guys are going to see me cut some baby hairs and then style up the hair. I use a little bit of conditioner to kind of help redefine the curls. Then I'm going to go in with my dimming brush. I'm just going to go ahead and work through this part and I'll see you guys once I'm done. Okay, so it's been a few days, the hair is dry, and this is what it's looking like. I just kind of want to give you guys a quick disclaimer. I'm sick, and though you may not be able to tell, I really wasn't feeling good when I was filming this video. I recently tested positive for what. I don't know how I caught it, but I have it. And since I was at home quarantining, I just thought that I should just go ahead and film some videos, get some videos up for you guys. But you guys just bear with me. I was not feeling good at all, and I know I didn't do the best job that I thought I could do. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and just work through it. So I went ahead and got the wig on. You guys see me use a little bit of my Melt Me Down spray to adhere the wig down. I went ahead and blow dry that. Now I'm just adding a little bit of my foaming wrap mousse just to kind of get rid of that bulky look that's going on top of the wig from my canvas block. Then I'm going to go in with my mineralized skin finish powder into that parting space just to make it look more so like scalp. And then I'm going to just comb out the hair just a little bit just to add some volume. And one thing I can say about this wig is that the curls are absolutely stunning. I love a beautiful curly wig. They are my favorite. Okay, I'm looking for something that's a little more natural looking though, something that can really blend in with my natural hair. But for the most part, this wig is gorgeous. I am just not a fan of the job that I did while tweezing the hairline. I took out absolutely way too much hair, and I kind of made the hairline look a little wonky. But for the most part, you guys, I'm not feeling well, so I did the best that I could, and for the most part, it looks okay. But you guys do check out Unice. I'll leave all the details below. Let me know what you guys think about this wig, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.